Kigis Intelligent Proximity Alert System (Ipas) is all about stopping accidents before they happen across all sorts of workplaces, ports, construction sites, factories, warehouses, you name it, anywhere safety risks are. Uses ultra-wideband technology to figure out how close things really are, because getting those measurements right on time, is key to keeping people and everything else safe in busy workplaces. Here comes Ipas 2.0, the next gen, grabbing all the smart, simple, and sleek vibes from its predecessors. It's super easy to set up the vehicle tag, no need to sign up for anything or mess with calibrations, and no worries about harming your vehicles. Drivers, you've got control right at your fingertips with the cabin-installed controller, setting up your own danger and caution zones. Pedestrian and vehicle tags, they're like buddies chatting through ultra-wideband, ensuring every distance is measured to perfection and warnings you can count on. Ipas 2.0 offers a variety of settings so you can create those alert zones just how you need them. The standard single vehicle tag mode is perfect for your everyday needs. You can create the caution and danger ranges of vehicle to pedestrian and vehicle to vehicle. Need a wider safety net? Our multi-vehicle tag mode has got you covered, ideal for those expansive industrial zones. Ipas 2.0 plays nice with pretty much any vehicle you've got: forklifts, excavators, loaders, tractors, dump trucks, and more. We introduce state-of-the-art shaping strategies, enabling the creation of highly customized and environment-aware alert systems. Extended mode requires one vehicle tag and two extended mode tags to measure angles among the tags. It's all about giving you the freedom to tailor those alert zones to fit your space. Now, the shape of the alert zones can be adjusted considering various factors such as the type and size of industrial vehicles, the width of vehicle passageways, and the direction of vehicle movement. In dynamic shaping mode, this shaping feature is even more customized by syncing it with different driving conditions. You can tailor bigger caution and danger ranges for the vehicle's front when moving forward, and guess what? They flip automatically when you're backing up. This adaptable shaping system sends out alerts only when needed, making things smoother for your team and cutting down on those collision risks. Collision avoidance isn't just about keeping the workplace safe, it's about protecting our daily lives too. Think safe. Work safe. Home safe. With Kigis Ipas.